gonna look so good. It's time to talk about polyester. I know polyester gets such a bad rap, but y'all, the next 10 plus minutes will be me gushing all over polyester dresses. I'm pretty sure they're vintage. This bundle of 15 dresses took a whole entire month, 30 days just to get to me, but I went on a video call with the wholesaler. The quality, so bad. It was pixelized, it was lagging. They literally want you on the call and then right off of it. I mentioned in my last video that I was trying to be super polite because I'm trying to establish this relationship with this wholesaler. So anytime they showed me a dress, I was like, oh no thank you, I'll pass, thank you though, no thank you. And the guy was literally like, okay, stop that. Either tell me yes or no. And in that very moment,
the woman was too stunned to speak.
But also at the same time, I was like, did he really just tell me that? That's freaking hilarious. I did have just one request, and it's that I wanted sizes small and medium, just because those are the easiest sizes for me to sell. They most likely will be vintage. I've purchased from wholesalers before where they've included modern pieces, where they've included kid sizes, but this is my Michelle. It's a 9'10". And this is just so pretty. I also dress for the occasion. This is all I want to dress like the next few seasons. And I feel like these dresses are so versatile. I feel like especially the one that I'm wearing right now, it could be good for literally all seasons. You just gotta layer up a bit. I like this little bust detail, but I already know it probably won't fit this cups unless I wear like a super padded bra. And then the hemline on this, oh my gosh, we have a little tulip effect here. I know I'm super big on digital rose print, which just means I love my floral prints, but I am very, very particular with them. I don't know if this makes any sense, but there's just some prints that immediately give cheap. But this one is super pretty, and I'm not sure if you can tell, but it also has like a little bit of crinkle to it. And I like that the print is a little inconsistent, so it makes it look a little bit more natural. This is a 9'10". I would say that's a medium, like ML, but since it's vintage, I do think some of these pieces, even if they are labeled to size large, are gonna run small, because this fits like a small maybe, but we'll try everything on afterwards. Okay, then we have this one. Oh, I love a brown. I get pretty excited for brown now. I used to be very against neutrals and nudes, but the more brown that comes my way, the more often I get to wear my Parker boots. Look at that hem, and it's a tube top. Please be vintage. It's the brand Zinc. It's a size small. This doesn't look like vintage though, does that? It almost looks like a modern tag, unless it has a fiber tag somewhere in here, then we can figure that out. Oh, it does have one. It's a paper tag made in USA. The brand tag was slightly throwing me off, but okay, we've got another vintage piece here. I am really liking this floral print too. And then we have a gathered detail in the bust area. This is freaking tiny though. I feel like this would probably fit an extra small. I'm not sure if you can tell, but it's mesh construction. Oh, hell yeah, I'm excited about this one. Okay, we've got some blue. This is giving very springy. This is a brand FLP, Faith, Love, Passion. It's a size 4. Oh, okay, that's interesting. This one has more of a higher neck. It's sleeveless, but then on the back we have a little V cut. Okay, this one's cute too. A little simple. This also has like a little crinkle to it too, but I'm not sure if it's supposed to look like that or if it needs to be steamed. This is so delicate. Do y'all understand why now in all of my thrift with me's, I've been trying to get cardigans, little cardigans like this, so I can top them over my dresses. Because I feel like wearing it alone like this, it is a little too boring. So we need to layer up, we need accessories. And the accessories that are gonna be perfect for these dresses that are hyper feminine, but also minimalistic, are gonna come from Ana Luisa. They're a New York-based jewelry brand that sells sustainable pieces like rings and necklaces and earrings, bracelets. They literally have it all. All of their jewelry is hypoallergenic, which y'all know I need because I'm very prone to getting keloids. I've been wearing their earrings for like a good 3 months now, and I'm not getting any sort of reaction. They're also water resistant. You can wear them in the shower. I literally haven't taken these earrings out since I put them in, and there's been no sign of color change. And they're sustainable too. They make their pieces from recycled metals. So the ring I have on right now is a Stephanie ring, and it's made from recycled sterling silver. It's super dainty, very feminine, and Ana Luisa is expanding their color options. So in a lot of the pieces, you can decide whether you want it in gold or silver. I know people could be a little hesitant with buying things online, but Ana Luisa Luisa has a worry-free guarantee, so all the products have a 2-year warranty. And the designs start as low as $39, and the more you buy, the more you save. I've already told you about the Stephanie ring, so let me tell you about the other pieces I've been super obsessed with. Right now, I'm wearing the Ana necklace. This has a ball chain design. It's sterling silver that's plated in rhodium, has a little lobster clasp. And for the Ana necklace, you can choose to have it in either gold or silver. And I'm looking at the website right now. It's currently discounted, last chance for 20% off. But I like this one especially because it is so dainty. It's so easy to layer. And I don't know about you, but anytime I do wear statement necklaces, I get very overstimulated. This is so lightweight, it doesn't even feel like I'm wearing anything. I'm very much a silver girly, and for the longest time, I've been wanting to get some hoop earrings. I just never really found the right size, but I associate them with my mom in the 90s. And like, she is the definition of femininity. Right next to the endless hoop earrings, I'm wearing the Sia safety pin earrings. These I love, just because an issue that I have with earrings is that anytime I'm laying down in bed or trying to get to sleep, I always feel the post or just the backing digging into the side of my head. With these, I can smother my head to the pillow and I won't feel a thing. But your Ana Luisa is going to be delivered in sustainable packaging like this, and it is climate neutral certified. And on the inside, you'll have one of 2 packages. We have the textile little pouch, which I love because it ends up holding all of my jewelry, or we have a cardboard box that's branded, and then on the inside, it'll contain your jewelry piece. In this household, we definitely stand Ana Luisa because they gave me the opportunity to design my own necklace. It's no longer available, y'all. It was only available for a limited time, and so if you got one, thank you so much. But this is a Danielle necklace. It has a little star statement. It's plated in gold, and I love the little toggle clasp. Ana Luisa is having a huge sale right now where you can get up to 35% off, and like I said earlier, the more you buy, the more you save. Christmas is literally just a few weeks away, y'all, so it's the perfect time to get some presents for friends and family. So I'll leave a link down below where you can get shopping. Let's start unveiling more of these dresses. Oh, we got some purple. Actually, you know, this lilac is kind of pretty. I'm not gonna be a hater. This is Jessica Howard, a size 8. Okay, so that's like a medium. These sleeves, okay, no, they're not sleeves. The straps are freaking adorable. I love that. You know what? This is actually so cute. This floral print is a little different. Like, I've never seen anything like this before, but I also really like this hem. All of them also have a lining underneath, so that's good. But I think this might be my favorite silhouette so far. Oh, I love this. This is so cute. This is heart sole. See, this is labeled a size large, but this looks tiny. I feel like this might fit like another extra small, unless this is kids, but it kind of has a mature look to it. So maybe it does just run small. But look at these flutter sleeves. And they're also vented. I like this floral print. It's, what is it? I think they're peonies. Peonies are like one of my favorite flowers. And then look at the hem on this one. I love this like trimming. This is literally so pretty. I am looking at everything, just doing a little quality check. And so far, so good. And then look at the bust on this one. Oh, that's hecka pretty. So to be honest, I don't really remember what I got, but there is one dress that I'm really looking forward to, and it's yellow. And I haven't seen it in the box yet. What size is this? This is 11-12. 11-12 I would say is a large too, but this one also runs small. I would say this is probably a medium. Oh no, y'all, I think this was supposed to have some sort of like strappy detail on the bust because it has these little notches there, but we don't have a lace. Maybe I can find something in Santee Alley to replace it with. Whoa, I love this print. You know, the goal was to sell these, but I'm literally obsessed with all of them, especially this one. Actually, I think I changed my mind. This one is my favorite one so far. I also forgot to mention, but like as far as packaging, it just came in like a pretty thick box and they just tossed all the dresses in there. I personally don't mind that. I feel like they're a wholesaler. They're just trying to get your product to you and they don't really care about washing it, cleaning it, or making it look presentable. I'm totally okay with that. Okay, this one is a size medium. It's a Paradise East. This one has beading. It's our first one that has beading and sequins. Okay, but to be honest, I'm not totally crazy about this print. This one is pretty, but I feel like it is kind of giving granny. So I feel like she needs a little leather jacket. She needs some moto boots to just like, you know, make it a little bit more youthful. But you never know, I might be wrong. Maybe it's just like one of those pieces that you actually have to try on for it to be cute. Okay, we have more black. Okay, I'm totally okay with that. What size? This one does look large. This is a size 12, and I think this is a true size 12. So we have a large, an actual large here. This one's cute, this one's okay. A little bit more simple and basic, but we just have a scoop neck, has a scoop back. I'm not crazy about this one, to be honest, and I am a little bummed that it's a size large. But okay, here's another black one. More roses, I think. What brand is this? Casual Corner. This is a size 14. That's also a size large. Let me see. This is a true size large too. This one has a V-neck, it's sleeveless. And then, oh, the hem on this one is really pretty because look at the tears and the ruffles. I am just a little bummed out because I did explicitly say no large. I wanted smaller medium, so actually I'm gonna set those aside. So far we have 2 larges. I know a few others were labeled large, but they run small, so that'll be okay. Oh, we have a pink one. I'm trying to see if that yellow one's in there. Let me see, okay. This looks so pretty. Oh, and I actually see a strand that's missing beads, so I wonder if this one's gonna be a damaged one. But this we can snip off and it'll be totally okay. This is Connected Apparel. What size is this? This looks a little oversized too. Okay, this actually doesn't have a brand tag. I think this might either be a medium or a large. But this is cute, our first little cowl neck. I love this print. Imagine this with my Parker boots. Oh, that's gonna look so good. This one has more of a soft high-low hem. I am kind of just looking into the end of the box. I think my favorite one, my like true favorite one is gonna be at the very bottom. Let's do this pink one. This is pretty too. This has beads all over. Okay, very nice. I'm loving this color. This is so pretty. Look at the V-neck, the V back, the little ruche detail on the bust. And then what are you? This is a size medium. It's Dress Barn. Not much going on the hem there, but it's still really pretty. And I surprisingly like this color, even though I think it kind of washes me out. I think I like these dresses, especially in pink. Ooh, I don't know about this color combo. We have some green and black. You know what that's giving? Alphaba and Glinda. This is Buyer 2. It's a size 11, made in Mexico. Only size 11. Would that be a medium? I feel like that's a large. And I do think it'll fit. Ooh, this one has staining though. And this one was pretty noticeable. I'm not sure if it captures it on camera, but do you see this big brown spot? It's right in between my fingers right there. Oh yeah, that's gonna need a cleaning, but I think it should be fine. I think it's just on the, oh no, it's on the lining too. Can you see that? Oh my gosh, I feel like you can't even see it on camera. It's this big, it's between my hands. Oh yeah, I think with the little soak it should be fine though. Do I dare smell it? I think it's a coffee stain. It actually smells good. Yeah, I think it's just coffee. And here we have straps, a little ruffle detail on the bust, and another tulip hem that's also high and low. This is pretty. I feel like this would be so cute to wear on a date night. I don't know if I'm crazy about the print though. Like, I feel like if I would have seen this at a thrift store, I would have been like, oh, pass, because it kind of gives fast fashion, but it's not. But either way, she's still cute. Another purple piece. You know what? I do remember this from the video. And from the video, I thought it was white. It's actually lilac. I think I like the lilac better. This, I also didn't want this dress. I just said yes because there was like a long period of time, maybe a good, I know it doesn't seem like a long time, but 30 seconds of saying no, 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 no. I was just like, Danielle, stop that. Just say yes. So when this dress came up, I was like, yes. And then instantly I was just like, what was I doing? I don't really like this type of style. And don't get me wrong, it's still cute. I just feel like this isn't an everyday dress. It's a dress that you would wear for a special occasion like prom. And this is a brand, Ruby Rocks. It's a size small, but I think this is gonna fit like an extra small. This is gonna be so tight on me. It also has like sparkles all over. So once the light hits you, you're gonna be shining in that. Oh my gosh, I think we're down to the last 2 dresses. Okay, what is this? What is this? This is My Michelle, a size 12. This is what I mean, y'all. This is a kid's dress. This is a little, I don't even think this is gonna fit me. This is not gonna fit me. It also has runs on the front here. Oh my gosh, I hate it when they do that. I wonder if they think that it looks like an extra small, but I feel like I handle clothes, women's clothes, so often that I know instantly this is kids' clothes. This is much, much smaller than an extra small. So I guess we shall be giving this one away. If anyone is like super, super petite, very small, or even if you have a kid who would fit in this and you want it, let me know down below in the comments and I will send this to you. It is very cute. It just, I don't think it's gonna fit my body. And because this material is polyester, it doesn't have any stretch, so I'm not gonna even attempt to put this over my broad shoulders. And I think we're down to the last piece. Yeah, we're down to the last piece, and this is my, I think this was a favorite. Yes, it is so pretty. This is buyer 2. Damn, this tag is filthy. This whole dress I think is a little filthy. It needs a good wash. It's a size 5. That's my size. I think I might be keeping this one. Wow, this is so pretty. Look at the flutter sleeves. Are the pits okay on here? Man, this is just dirty. This is so dirty. I love the ribbon trimming, the flutter sleeves, the all over print. This just looks so romantic. Wait, I don't think this is gonna fit me. I feel like this might be a little too small. Oh yeah, especially in the hips. Like, oh no, I don't think it's gonna fit my hips. These are literally the type of dresses that if I found at a thrift store, I'd be like, a grail, she's a grail. But like, I'm really not exaggerating when I tell you that it is filthy on the inside. Like, I'm not sure if it'll come up on camera. Oh yeah, you can see that. Do you see how dirty that is? This dress has been through it. I think the previous owner was probably just a sweater, and I can't blame them. I'm right there with them. On the outside, we don't have any pit stains, but on the inside, we do have quite a bit of discoloration. So yeah, she's gonna need a deep, deep cleaning. I did go that extra mile to measure everything, and 10 dresses are gonna work for me. They're size small, medium. We got 1 dress that's kid sizing, and then we got 1, 2, 3, we got 4 dresses that fall into large. So there's 5 dresses total that I did not ask for. That just kind of sucks because these wholesale boxes, you're spending a few $100s on them. So it is a little frustrating when I explicitly ask for certain sizes and they don't follow through on their end with that. But the good thing is that as far as quality, everything was in pretty good condition. Nothing was like too dirty besides this dress and this one with the coffee stain, so only 2 of them. I feel like that's pretty damn good considering all of these dresses were sitting in a warehouse. Oh, actually, now that I'm looking at this, I'm looking at the purple one. I'm not sure if you can see it through the screen, but we do have yellow discoloration on the side here. So I guess that's 3. 3 of them that had a little bit of staining, which I still think is really, really good. For the most part though, I do recommend shopping from wholesalers off of Fleek. I thought it was a really fun process, but it's not for the impatient, y'all. It does take a month, sometimes 2 months for your product to get to you. And these dresses were coming all the way from Pakistan. And so the time difference, I literally took that video call around like 10, 11 p.m. my time. But ultimately, I do think it was worth it. I mean, if you're ready to take on so many pieces to like refresh your wardrobe, I think it's for that. But I feel like specifically this is made more for resellers. I think I'm gonna do this again before I have a market, like maybe before Usagi Mercado, because we have another one in the works and we're aiming for February. If there's any other online wholesalers that you guys want me to try out because you're a little hesitant, I shall be your guinea pig. Give me all the info and I will try it out, make a whole video. Give me your thoughts on the dresses. I feel like I did pretty good. So I would say that Fleek is Twinelle approved. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I do post videos at least once a week, but we have Vlogmas, so it's actually a little bit more than once a week. So another video should be coming super, super soon. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye!